Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve for getting a Windows error when you try and install the operating system or says that Windows could not configure one or more system components. To install Windows, restart the computer and then restart the installations. So the failure can be caused by corrupted components, incompatible drivers, third-party software, and corrupted system files and hardware issues. So if you're getting this error message, and then I'll show you how to resolve that. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to disable Internet Information Services. So all you have to do is to press the Windows key plus letter R on your keyboard and pop up this run. So here in box, and then we need to type this command keyword appwiz.cpl. So just type this command keyword appwiz.cpl, that is one word, and then click OK. And then open up these programs and features. So all you have to do, on left side navigation pane, and then you need to select this turn Windows features on or off, and then click. And on right side, then open up this Windows features on or off. So all you have to do is to find and locate this Internet Information Services. So you need to select this Internet Information Services. So all you have to do is to uncheck this box. So uncheck. And then once you uncheck this Internet Information Services, and then click OK. Alright, so once you're done here at Windows features on or off, and then we need to close. And the other solutions that we're going to do is to run the SFC and DSM scan. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu, and then here at search for apps, and then you need to type CMD, or this is the command prompt, and then you need to right click and select run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and then click yes. And once you open up this administrator command prompt, and the next step, then we need to type and enter this command keyword as fc space /scan now. So /scan now, that is one word, and then press enter. And beginning system scan, this process will take some time. Beginning verification space of system scan. So here we need to wait to complete the verifications into 100%. So this command keyword as fc scan now is a command used in Windows to run the system file checker SFC tool, which scans all protected system files on your computer and replaces any corrupted or incorrect versions with the correct Microsoft versions. Then we need to wait to complete the verifications. And verifications 100% complete, and the next command keyword that we need to enter. So just copy this command keyword dsm space /online space /cleanup -image space /restore health. So control plus C to copy this command keyword, and we need to paste in here control plus B, and then press enter. And deployment image servicings and management tool. So here we need to wait again to complete the verifications into 100%. And the restore operations completed successfully, and then we need to close the CMD, and then here at start menu, and then we need to restart. Alright, so that's it guys on how to fix Windows could not configure one or more system components error. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.